23 divided by 3. Here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0 0, 3 times 1 3, 3 times 2 6, 3 times 3 9, 3 times 4 12, 3 times 5 15, 3 times 6 18. To find out the multiplication table of 3, just add 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 3 21. This is the easy way to find out the multiplication table of 3. Just add 3. 3 goes into this 2 how many times? 0 times, as our current dividend 2 is less than divisor 3. So 0 times 3, 0 times 3, that gives you 0. Subtract, you are getting 2. Bring down this 3. 3 goes into 23 how many times? 8 times 24, which is greater, so 7 times. Write 7. 7 times 3, which is 21. Subtract, you are getting 2. Okay, so our answer is 07 means 7 remainder 2. But if you want to write your answer in decimal form, then convert this whole number into decimal number. Taking decimal, then add number of zeros according to your need. Bring down the first digit 0. Before the 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the question directly. 3 goes into 20 how many times? 7 times 21, so 6 times. 7 times 21, which is greater than 20. Okay, so we need to consider this. 6 times 3 18. Subtract 2. Bring down another 0. Again 3 goes into 20 6 times. 6 times 3 18. Subtract 2. Bring down another 0. Again 3 goes into 20 6 times. 6 times 3 18. Subtract, you are getting 2. You can bring down more 0, but since this process is continuing, you can place here 3 dot. Okay, you can also place here a bar over 6 to mean that this is this 6 is repeating. So 7.6 is our answer.